You guys are not gonna believe this. We're getting in our car. Yes, hi Jessica. We're getting in the truck. I'm borrowing my dad's truck. And we are heading down below Pittsburgh because I found a deal that will help get the SVT back on the road. Stay tuned.
Dilly dilly. I don't know how much you can see because, you know, light sucks, but there you go. You can't hear me either, but I'm still talking. Electric fence is high tech.
Laurel Highlands Department of Corrections. Turning the clock back a little bit. So, before I had my SVT, I had a green ZX3 Focus. It's not perfect, but it ran. It was also very ricey because that's how I bought it. Well, looks like we're gonna pull that one back out so that I can get on my merry way for now until I can get the SVT done because I got parts. It's just going to be a hell of a job. So I'm going to get the battery pulled out of the Focus here, get it charged up, and we can see about getting the green one out and fixing that clutch. More work. No peeking. You get to hear more about this later. Bear with how dirty it is. It's been in storage for a little while. And this car has an aftermarket header, which, hey, whatever. Full MSD ignition. I took the long tube, or the cold air intake, and put a factory one back on, but it makes it, never mind. The clutch, it's working kind of, so I think it just needs a master cylinder. But, I actually put a silencer in this exhaust. I don't know if you can see it. But put a silencer in it because it was super damn annoying. And even now it's still annoying. But if it gets me from point A to point B, I don't care how it sounds. Yeah. Drive confident. Slowly. Out. Again. Hey, sunroof's closed now. It's a little tight. You gotta move the clutch to get it in gear. As soon as I used it a couple times, it went away.
just used a joke to say men don't use instructions.
Pictures at least. They don't usually.
Yeah, but I can't use that joke anymore. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay, I'm not bleeding it right. Maybe.
So what are we gonna do?
Hello, GoPro. The new ones actually go by that. You know that?
The what?
The newer GoPros.
Yeah.
You can say, "Hey, GoPro, record,"
Really?
and it'll record. Yes.
What is it, the 5?
Yeah. I think 5 or 6 or both.
I didn't know they even had a 6.
Yeah, there's a 6. Okay, so.
I can't even afford a 5.
Yeah, right. They're on special at Sam's Club. Just saying. Pump that clutch 10 to 20 times until it's firm.
Last time I touched this car,
It broke, I know.
there's a reason why it's sitting in the damn driveway. I drove the damn thing. There's an oil city. Oil fucking city. I get 10 minutes from our house.
Never said she was good at driving a stick.
And then I get told, well, you should have done well. I knew it was going to go bad.
I didn't know, I was just hoping. No, in general. Pump it like 10 to 20 times until it's firm.
It's always like this.
That's what she said. Ha ha ha! Quickly! Go, 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 go! Pump faster, 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 faster! 10 to 20 times. Pump, 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 pump! I love my wife. Faster, faster! Harder! Come on! Waiting on you! Yeah, that's what she said. Is it feeling stiff and firm? Keep pumping. Oh, it's cold. Well, you know, could be worse. All right, so we got the car running. We got wheels on it. It's kind of sort of working, but the clutch isn't working right, so we got to bleed it a little more. Try and get that going. Oh, by the way, my friend from Fire and Gasoline stopped by to help. Say hi.
Hi.
Because rice. Oh my god, this car's so annoying. Yeah, just push it. Thank you. This car's so annoying.
Definitely loud.
I told you! I'm gonna miss my SVT for a little while, that's for sure. I don't have the bling bling wheels, the ST wheels on it.
Wonder how late. It's not me because this is how fast I can change. Like boom, boom, boom.
Enjoy your celebration. I'm gonna sit here and kick a car. Clutch still isn't working right. Just don't hurt the wheels.
Oh, so you went and got the Jess. That's how she got it.
What?
You went and got Jess. Because you were gone like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah, I went and got Jess.
I was wondering how she got home.
She walked. Now get the hell out of my garage. Go, go, get!
Assault camera. Remember, I can zoom in to 9 inches. Do that again.
Wow, 9 inches. Wow. That's what she said. But you know what?
And you know that shit in the vlog.